Okay, we're here recording.
Okay, what is this? Oh, go ahead. Tell me if I can go to his house. This is what I thought I was working on before he was murdered, Danny. He's investigating. Look at this. Okay, so I found these. That's what I was. Four those envelopes that your truck. The government found out that the world was sending me pieces of each.
I'm recording with my hands.
Doesn't make sense. Okay. Why would she do that? Why would she say that? She was hoping the government would notice the missing community.
Let me go here. What's up here?
This is what was the date. Okay. Now, for the last month, everyone's there. It's like we didn't have to hold for my
See what?
Every one of us who's day lunch is in there. So what happens on Tuesday? That's the government's day lunch.
I don't know who that is.
So anyway. So what I knew is that I was slipping in the government's office. And according to these photos and everything, the government found out about it. Zero killed. What was trying out to do? It was my fault.
Celebrate savings at JCPenney's 4th of July sale. Save up to 40% on major appliances like Samsung, LG, and GE. Plus, get 30% off
if you can hear
and basic installation.
on that, it's just better. Listen to it. Oh, castle.
Because that's all right. How can people find a great rate? Even if it's not with right. I said, quiet. More disappointing.
Containership would go faster than the destroyer. Says that China of the state of California was taken for a containership. Notorious for congested sea traffic, particularly during the night when merchant ships are trying to reach by daybreak.
Free at discover.com/creditscore.
Just as the two ships were submerged in heavy traffic. Maritime operating across the area and burden the 13,000 by the interest verdict. On average, about 400 ships pass through the waters each day. The area, also known for strong tides, is the most accident prone in Japanese water. Can transport ships that were investigated 28 years including one between the Japanese State Navy sub and because many ships unload their cargo in Tokyo during the day, they want to be there early in the morning. Many of them pass through the country during the night. It's known as one of the busiest waters where ships from different routes merge. The nighttime rush hour begins from about 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. The second rush hour begins from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. And ships that reloaded in Tokyo area. The
Pretty common, that's a good app.
example, the 92,000 ship carrying about 1,000 containers from Mongolia, traveling east and scheduled to arrive in Tokyo at 8 a.m. The Coast Guard says it and the fixture collided at about 1:30 a.m. How the collision occurred is still under investigation. Experts generally agree that the Philippines flag container ship likely trying to catch the destroyer from behind when it collided. The Navy ship suffered severe damage to its starboard side. Ships heading to Tokyo have to decide whether to take the shortcut between the Izu Peninsula and Izu Tsushima Island, or make a bigger circle around the island, partly to avoid traffic. Most ships take the shorter route, and he said route decisions are up to the captain. with accident, transport administration proposed the International Maritime Organization a virtual median line between the peninsula and the island. It's Tokyo bound ships traveling on the east side and those from Tokyo on the west side. The proposal adopted by the IOM earlier this month was taken back to senior official at Shinjuku Company passengers very often, but it assigned 3 crew members to monitor surrounding traffic when the ferries pass through the area, even though they only operate during the day.
We're going to take her down.
You know they got a lot of traffic on it.
That's our focus now, okay? We silently listen to government like my father.
They assigned 3 crew members to monitor traffic surrounding the area, even when they're ferries.
You sure you want to tell that?
Even though their ferries only operate during the day, we're not
Yes. Did.
After Coleman also was carefully monitoring other vessel ships that make it through the coastal area, then reached Tokyo Bay for even more traffic.
Everything on the screen, what's the drive?
No.
So,
What do you think?
sounds like they decided that they were going to try to hurry up and pass them. You know how those people do when you get to Clipper merge and they decide they're going to try to speed up and pass you and you have to slam on brakes so that you don't hit them? It sounds like that's what happened. They were supposed to merge and the container ship decided it was going to pass so it could get ahead of them. But that's not what happened. Chin, where are you going? Chin.
Obviously, Colorado, should we take a go now? You know, Paris? I got a way to bring you in.
I already told your friends. I don't know where McGarrett is.
It's got nothing to do with the mechanics situation. Okay, well, what the hell is it about? Legal weakness taking place opposite Colorado at the scene of a break-in.
What break-in?
HPD and asset forfeiture locker. Apparently, you know about the money that witnesses. Obviously, Colorado, I need you to come with me right now. These charges are outstanding investigation. Well, that's
Oh yes, I totally forgot.